task number 5 of our pull toy project is 2 parts. One, you're going to participate in a pull toy parade, so your teacher is going to arrange some different classrooms around the school that you and your classmates get to take your pull toys and just kind of walk them around the classroom. Hopefully you've built it solidly so that it doesn't come apart. Hopefully it works. If it falls apart, that's okay, but at least you're participating in that parade, just kind of showing the rest of your school and the rest of your classmates around the school what some of the ideas were that you had and your hard work that you've put into this. Then you'll be answering some conclusions. So this is your chance to evaluate your project and share what you've learned with your teachers. And so, as always, we want you to answer in detail. The question that should be in the back of our minds, our essential question, is what skills are needed to meet deadlines. So you had a deadline when this project needed to be done. What were some of those skills that you need to have as a person to meet deadlines that you encounter? All right, so that's task number 5. So let's pause the video and open up your design notebook. All right, we've got our design notebook open. You can see here in the project plan we have task number 5, so participating in the pull toy parade and completing your conclusion questions. So go ahead and click on the bookmark for task 5. Our essential question that you must answer is what skills are needed to meet the deadlines. And then there's really nothing you need to do except participate in the pull toy parade. But then when you are evaluating and you're drawing these conclusions, write answers to the conclusion questions, explain in as much detail, and we should always aspire to use complete sentences when we're writing. So the questions that you're going to answer are just on a grading scale. What overall grade would you give yourself for this project? And again, make sure that you explain why you graded yourself the way you did. If you worked with a partner, what grade would you give your partner? Okay, again, explain the grade, why your partner deserves that grade. And if you didn't work with a partner, if you chose to work by yourself, explain why you chose to work by yourself. Okay, and that's okay. A should answer question. What were 3 changes that you made to your project along the way? Could be with your initial design. It could be as you were building. What were 3 changes that you made along the way? And then justify, give reasons why those changes were necessary. That's what justify means. If you're given more time, what would your pull toy, or what about your pull toy would you have improved? What other pull toy that was created in class was the most intriguing to you and why? Explain again. And then, as teachers, we like feedback as well. So how do you think this project could be improved upon for future classes? Okay, we'd love to hear that from you. And that's an aspire to answer question, but we would love to hear that. Just be honest with us. All right, and then your summary for the task, what was something that you learned and what was something that you were successful with. It could be with the pull toy parade or it could be with these conclusions as well. And then you see the end of task number 5. So reach out to your teacher if you have questions, but we'd love to know kind of what you think of this project and how you think you did. All right, good luck.